This is a 2-row repeat worked on a multiple of 3 plus 1. For my sample, I cast on 19 stitches with worsted weight yarn and US size 8 needles. For row 1, you're going to start by knitting the first stitch, and then you're going to repeat yarn over SK2 psso. And that means you slip the next stitch, knit 2 stitches, and then you pass the slipped stitch over the 2 knits. And that's the repeat to the end of the row for row 1. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 2, and pass the slipped stitch over the 2 knit stitches. For row 2, you're going to start by purling the first stitch, and then you're going to repeat yarn over, and then just like in row 1, we're going to slip the next stitch. This time we're going to purl 2 stitches, and then pass the slipped stitch over the 2 purl stitches. So that's the repeat for row 2. Yarn over, slip 1, purl 2, and then slip or pass the slipped stitch over the 2 purls. Yarn over, slip 1, purl 2, and then pass the slipped stitch over the 2 purls. And you just repeat those 2 rows for the pattern.